Ladies and gentlemen, hi and welcome to this auto-emotional presentation for a rather cute little Ford EcoSport presented in this nice metallic hue of green come grey. It's got nice little touches, brilliant on the economy, had a new radiator just done, indicators in the mirrors, tints all the way around, AC works perfect. Simple little car, but really does the trick to go from A to B. Auto, AUX in for your music. You've also got Bluetooth for calling, split folding rear seats as well. Got a little latch there to pull forward. So convenient little car, electric mirrors all the way around. You've also got remote central locking off the key. Nice hatch, as you can see. Lady owner, British expat, school teacher, upgrading to a new vehicle. So this has been in her care, always maintained, and of course super reliable. You can see the 60-40 folding rear seats there as well. You can also lean them back slightly. You got the original toolkit there as well, so nice little touch, just letting you know the vehicle's always, being maintained in a good position. Alloy wheels, couple of honest marks which you could expect of a vehicle of this age, but really does drive very well. Again, electric windows all the way around, electric mirrors as well. Nice comfy cabin for you and your occupants. So available now for sale through AUTOEMOTIONAL.